Struggling with bloating, reflux, or sluggish digestion at night? This simple, science-backed routine is designed to calm your gut, support overnight repair, and help you wake up feeling lighter, clearer, and more energized. All you need is rhythm. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Health and Wellness and Living Life Better series. Tonight, we'll cover 4 key areas: early dinner timing to improve gastric emptying and sleep quality, herbal teas that work to reduce bloating, gentle movement to activate digestion without stress, and breathwork and sleep position for overnight gut support. The timing of your last meal profoundly impacts your sleep and overnight gut repair. Eating too close to bedtime means your digestive system clashes with your body's shift into rest mode. Research shows finishing dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed improves sleep and reduces acid reflux. This aligns with your circadian rhythm, as evening enzyme activity naturally slows, making late meals harder to process. Aim to finish dinner between 6 and 7 p.m. Step 1 is to finish dinner early, aiming for 2 to 3 hours before bed. This is one of the most impactful changes you can make for nighttime gut comfort. It sets the foundation for your body's transition from digestion to restoration. Step 2. Choose the right herbal tea. The right blend, consumed 60 to 90 minutes after dinner, can reduce bloating, relax intestinal muscles, and support peristalsis, the gentle wave-like contractions that move food through your digestive tract overnight. The best teas for nighttime digestion include chamomile, known for relaxing intestinal muscles and easing gas. Ginger is a prokinetic, speeding up gastric emptying. Peppermint relaxes GI tract muscles, relieving bloating. Fennel is a traditional remedy that relaxes gut muscles and dispels gas. To brew for maximum benefit, use water just below boiling to preserve aromatic compounds. Steep for 5 to 7 minutes, covered, to trap medicinal properties. Drink 60 to 90 minutes after dinner and at least 30 minutes before bed. Step 3 is gentle movement for digestion. Intense exercise before bed can spike cortisol, hindering digestion. Your body needs gentle, targeted movement that mechanically supports gut motility and reduces gas without activating your stress response. 5 key stretches activate digestion: the supine twist, wind-relieving pose, cat-cow, seated forward fold, and child's pose are restorative postures that help with gas relief, massage organs, and stimulate the nervous system for rest and digest activity. Cortisol is the enemy of digestion. It slows motility, increases permeability, and suppresses beneficial gut bacteria. The gentle stretches help you avoid the cortisol spike caused by high-intensity exercise, keeping your gut calm and receptive. Step 4 is breathwork, activating rest and digest. The autonomic nervous system has 2 modes: sympathetic, or fight or flight, and parasympathetic, or rest and digest. Breathwork is a clinically validated way to manually switch your system into parasympathetic mode. The gut-brain breath connection works through the vagus nerve. Slow, diaphragmatic breathing improves vagal tone, leading to better gut motility and reduced bloating. It also suppresses inflammation and helps maintain a healthy microbiome environment. Try these 3 techniques. 4-7-8 breathing's extended exhale activates the parasympathetic system. Box breathing helps regulate the nervous system. Diaphragmatic belly breathing directly massages organs and maximizes vagal nerve stimulation for rest and digest. Just 5 minutes of slow breathing can measurably shift your nervous system. Diaphragmatic breathing is proven to reduce bloating and improve quality of life. All you need is your breath, a quiet corner, and 5 minutes of intention. Step 5 is the simplest and most underrated tip: sleep on your left side. The position you sleep in directly affects your digestive system. Sleeping on your left side supports gastric emptying, reduces reflux, and enhances lymphatic drainage. Left side sleeping uses gravity to keep stomach contents below the esophageal valve, dramatically reducing nighttime reflux and heartburn. This position also empties the stomach more efficiently and supports your lymphatic system's drainage. Research confirms that right-side sleeping significantly worsens GERD symptoms. In contrast, left-side sleeping reduces acid reflux, provides faster gastric emptying, and improves gut motility, offering meaningful relief, often comparable to antacid therapy. If you struggle to stay on your left side, try these 2 tips. Use a body pillow behind your back to prevent rolling right. Alternatively, cool the right side of your bed, as the body instinctively rolls away from the cold. This is your complete nighttime gut reset routine. It's a full 5-step flow, designed to take no more than 20 to 30 minutes. Consistency is the key. Even following 3 of the 5 steps nightly will yield noticeable results within 2 weeks. The flow includes finishing dinner early, sipping herbal tea, performing gentle stretches, utilizing breathwork, and sleeping on your left side. Each step builds on the last, creating a complete system for gut recovery overnight. In the first few nights, you can expect reduced bloating and improved sleep. By week 1, you may notice less nighttime reflux and more regular morning digestion. By week 2, gut motility should be more consistent, and you may feel less inflamed. To maximize your reset, avoid common disruptors like alcohol, caffeine after 2 p.m., late-night blue light exposure, and high-fat late meals. These interfere with digestion, sleep, and the gut's overnight repair cycle. Poor sleep harms your gut by increasing permeability and elevating cortisol. Conversely, a healthy gut improves sleep by regulating melatonin and reducing inflammation. This routine strengthens the vital 2-way connection between your gut and your sleep. This routine is about consistency and rhythm, not perfection. 5 small, deliberate steps nightly can transform how you feel, allowing your gut the rest and repair it needs to help you wake up lighter, clearer, and more energized.